Pero mali eh. Mali na kinalibutan mo na nga si Josh. That's not a big deal because I've done a good job in raising him. Pero mali na ginagawa mong biro ang anak ko. I do not deserve that. Actually, no, I deserve that. I made the mistake of falling for you. I made the mistake of loving you. You did not love me. Because had you loved me, 20 years after, hindi ako magiging biro sa isang skit, sa bawat entabladong inaakyat mo. Pero sana man lang, yung bata na minahal ka, yung bata na 7 years nang hindi ka nakikita, pero nakikita ko. Nakikita ko sa cellphone niya at